Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, Joe. I'm Fia, and this is Rua.
Wawa.
We have some Dizzy deliveries for you. Is it your birthday? Is it your birthday?
No,
No.
it's not my birthday.
Granny. Birthday.
It's Granny's birthday. It's a big secret.
Ah, it's a surprise birthday party.
Yes.
Oh, I forgot. What was on the list?
Yes, some balloons. Wait here.
Let's love sign. Balloon. Balloon. You sign. Balloon. Good. Balloon.
More!
More? More. Wait here.
More. More.
More? Wait here. More. I know. Let's play a game. Birthday parties are hard work. Ah, cake!
Let's love sign. Take. Take. You sign. Cake. Good. Cake.
I know. Let's make a cake.
Cake.
What do we need to make a cake? Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dassy, Day. Scoop a little bit of butter in there. Ugh, okay, I think we need some chocolate for the cake. And we need another egg in there as well. What? Will you pour some milk in there for me? Only a little bit small, so. That's a... This is my granny's recipe. Your granny is gonna love this. Well, we've had a great day, but it's time to go home.
Yeah.
Bye.
Wait.
Wait. Wait.
We need one more thing for the perfect birthday party.
I'm betting.
Of course, I've one more delivery. A present. Wait here.
A present.
Princess.
Let's love sign. Present. Present. You sign. Present. Good. Present.
Here, a present.
Photo.
Where's the photo?
Don't worry. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry if it's not the right delivery. Just say Dizzy, Dassy, Day.
Where's Joe?
Ta-da! Look! It's my granny's recipe. Now it's time to hide.
Where is everybody? I love you. Oh, yes, surprise. This is the best present ever. Mwah.
Daddy.
I love you. This, Daddy, go. Mwah.